Welcome to Car Trend. Today, we're taking a deep dive into a true American classic, the 1977 Ford F-100 4x4 pickup truck. A truck that encapsulates the essence of rugged durability and timeless style, the F-100 has earned its place in automotive history. Let's break down what makes this truck so special and why it's still a favorite among classic car enthusiasts today. The 1977 Ford F-100 4x4 represents the perfect blend of power and practicality. From the outside, it's immediately clear that this isn't just any regular truck. Its boxy, straightforward design harks back to a simpler time in automotive history, but with features that are undeniably Ford. The wide grille, squared-off edges, and prominent front bumper all give it that classic 70s look, while the large fender flares and aggressive stance let you know it means business. The two-tone color schemes, often paired with chrome accents, provide a sense of boldness and confidence. Under the hood, the 1977 Ford F-100 packs some serious muscle. The truck was offered with a range of engine options, from a powerful 6-cylinder to V8 variants that delivered the torque needed for both off-road capabilities and daily driving. A 4x4 drivetrain ensured that no matter where you took it, be it a rugged trail or a city street, the F-100 would handle it with ease. The standard 3-speed manual transmission or the optional automatic transmission gave drivers the freedom to choose their preferred driving style, and the robust suspension system made it one of the best handling trucks of its time. The interior of the Ford F-100 4x4 is built for comfort and function. While it may not boast the high-tech features of modern trucks, it's certainly designed to be practical. Simple yet effective, the dashboard layout is functional with easy-to-read gauges, and the bench seat is spacious enough to fit multiple passengers or gear. The truck's utilitarian nature is reflected in the interior materials, which were designed for durability rather than luxury. The large steering wheel and straightforward controls make the driving experience comfortable, especially when you're taking the F-100 off-road. What really sets the 1977 Ford F-100 4x4 apart is its off-road capability. This truck was built to handle tough terrain. With a strong chassis, heavy-duty suspension, and 4x4 capabilities, it's no wonder the F-100 became such a beloved workhorse. Whether you were hauling goods, pulling a trailer, or just exploring the backcountry, this truck could handle it all. Its high ground clearance and rugged tires made it ideal for tackling uneven surfaces, dirt roads, and even some moderate rock crawling. Today, the Ford F-100 4x4 is a sought-after classic for truck enthusiasts, with a dedicated following of those who appreciate its simple, no-nonsense design and its proven performance. Restoration projects are common, with many owners looking to bring these trucks back to their original glory, or in some cases, making performance upgrades that bring the truck into the 21st century while still keeping that vintage appeal intact. Whether you're a fan of classic trucks or simply appreciate the legacy of American engineering, the 1977 Ford F-100 4x4 is a truck that continues to impress. It's a true testament to Ford's dedication to quality, performance, and durability that has stood the test of time. Thanks for tuning into Car Trend, where we celebrate the legends of the automotive world.